up for some birthday errands. I'm wearing this stuff from Zara. Jeans are also Zara. Cozy Island shoes. So already picked out my cake. I'm gonna show you guys a photo of what I sent the girl. She's the one that does all of my cakes for my birthday, my graduation, pretty much whatever. But it's this really cute pastel colored Victorian styled cake. I've been doing the same thing for like 2 years. Are always from her. They're so delicious. We're heading to this little store. It's called Ibarra, where they apparently sell all sorts of things for parties, and I want to see if I can get some decorations and things. So we'll see what it's all about. Cute this little this was a fail. Everything was super expensive, it was super dated, and they didn't have that many options for adults, so I think we're gonna go to a different place. We didn't find anything at the other stores, so now we're gonna look for a regular tablecloth. I'm gonna get these blue candles. So today's the next day. It is actually my birthday, and we're heading out to pick up my ID, which I did a process for yesterday, but I need to pick it up today because I lost it a couple months ago. Yesterday we went to that store to get a tablecloth and some candles for my birthday table. We went to the grocery store after, and somebody else took our package because we put it into a locker, and she thought that it was hers, so she got the workers to open it up for her. She took it home, but she called and everything's good. She's gonna take it back today, and I'm gonna pick it up. But yeah, that's what's going on. We have some errands to run, but my party is gonna be tomorrow night.
You get going at every stop, baby, oh, it's showing.
We got our package and I got my ID. The picture turned out so ugly. I look like a criminal. I got some goodies for my birthday. I first got this little mirror with these owls, and it's in this baby blue color. It's like the girliest thing ever. Here is you guys. I also got a little ring, and I've been wanting a ring like this with a little heart on it, and this one is pink, goes with my dress, and looks like this. Alright guys, I'm all ready. Here is my hair. Guys, we made a quick stop at the little thrift store boutique because they have new arrivals. And look at this little trench. How cute. And look at this full suede jacket. You guys know I've been looking for a white dress. And this one is super similar to the one that I'm wearing. So cute. So I got some things from that store, and now I'm about to get a facial. This was the best decision that I made today, was coming here. My face feels like a fresh mint, but I look like an alien. Hey guys, it is the next day. I've been go. It is currently 12 p.m. I've been doing some errands, and now my dad is taking me to pick up my cake. I'm super excited to see how it all turned out. Here's a little sneak peek of what it looks like. It's so pretty. Alright guys, here is the cake. It reminds me of Cinderella for the Sleeping Beauty. Yesterday, I bought some balloons. I meant to get light pink ones, but they only had this metallic pink. I got this pearl ribbon. For the happy birthday sign, I only meant to get one, but I accidentally got two. One in Spanish and one in English. These are blue, and then these are this little pastel colors. We're gonna see which one looks the best. This pack also comes with more balloons in blue and white. I don't have the tape yet. We need to go get that. I just want to see what it looks like. So cute. I bought these candles that I'm gonna put on these candlesticks on both sides of the cake. I have this, which I thrifted a couple of months back, and I've been waiting around to use this for my birthday cake. We'll see how it looks because the cake is too pretty to ruin it, but I do want to use this. Well, this isn't part of the birthday setup or anything, but look at this mug that I bought. So adorable. It's the exact same color as my birthday. 4:30 p.m. now, and we're heading out again to get the food. We're pretty sure we're doing tacos, kinda thinking about it. We're figuring things out as we go. We're thinking of getting some cupcakes or something for the table, just for it to be a little bit more full. We need to get plates, and my nails are starting to come off. I did my gel nails, I think it was 2 weeks ago, so I'm gonna have to redo them when I get home. I also need to do my hair because it has no volume, so I think I'm gonna either wash it again and re-blow it out, or I might do some curls. We'll see. I got a bunch of things. I got this bouquet of flowers. I got a bunch of treats to put on the table. I got this pecan pie. I also got these cupcakes, which got all ruined. They fell to the ground downstairs. Right now I'm gonna figure out the balloon situation. Alright you guys, so this is what I'm trying to do. It's all turning out so cute. I decided to put balloons all over the living room. So we've got not only where we have the garland, but I also put some in the ceiling over there. So when you walk in, this is what you see. I am obsessed with it, and look at all of the colors. We're gonna put the other garland on the other side where we have the candle. So I'm wearing these Circus by Sam Edelman heels. My full outfit is thrifted, and I did a little bit of makeup. Guys, I'm the worst at doing makeup. I really like how my eyes turned out, at least in this lighting. I don't know.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest